Bulls Barbecue. The best damn barbecue ever.
Welcome back, subscribers. It's your boy Chris here from WhiteBullsBBQ. Right now I'm bringing you a brand new, refreshing, new segments of the channel. This is my vlogs for my barbecue trips. I just went to California, Southern California. We did a pop-up in San Bernardino. Shout out to Red Bull. I cooked for them at a private event, so there's not much footage of that. That won't be in this video. But big shout out to Red Bull. And then Saturday with my team, I did the pop-up. Shout out to Barbecue King and shout out to Black Smokes Barbecue. Here's the clips of the events. Great day, great pop-up. We sold out in 1 hour and 45 minutes. Hit that like and subscribe. Check out this trip. There's many more where that came from. The best damn barbecue ever. $151.
52.
Here we go. Moving right along. Well, look at that thing, man.
163.
Almost time to wrap. Oh yeah. Fine mist, fine mist. It's the way to go. Oh yeah. Get them boys in the back. Does it even smoke, Ray?
It smokes, baby.
Yeah, let's see. Oh yeah. The best damn barbecue ever. Alright guys, so I'm out in Cali, I'm down San Bernardino area, and Deluxe Barbecue just came through. This man is the man of bees, alright? He's the king. He brought me a honeycomb. Look at this.
This is legit as it gets, fresh from our beehive.
Dude.
I plucked this out probably 2 days ago, and it's been untouched by human hands. All I do is I chunk it up, I scoop it, I put it in there straight from the hive. So fresh.
Alright. Thank you, sir.
Yes.
This guy has like 100,000 bees.
There you go. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh my god.
You gotta
Look
take a
at
bite.
this.
Look at that.
Ready?
Intense. It's intense. It's intense.
What?
Oh.
What?
Oh. So.
Dude, best honey of my life. Hands down. The experience of this specifically though, like it's exactly how he just described it to me a minute ago. It's like, I can't even describe
It's
it.
crazy. So the honey just explodes in your
Yes.
mouth and you're left with this crunchy texture. And then what I even like to do is the wax that's left over, I'll sit there and chew it like it's a piece of gum. And I'll chew it for like 5 minutes. And I can swallow it, I can spit it out, whatever you want. But the sweetness is so fresh. It is like, it is unbelievable.
This is unreal. This is the purest, sweetest, and cleanest honey I've ever had in my life. And the comb itself is, I'm going again.
Yeah. So after you start chewing it up, leave that wax in your mouth and just kind of chew it up a little bit. And like I said, it'll start to be like chewing gum. And all that stuff just explodes and you get that little subtle crunch. It is so good. And it's a different kind of sweet than sugar. It's not like putting sugar in your mouth. It's just,
Bro.
it's this flavorful.
I want to give this guy a hug. I'm not even kidding, dude. This is crazy. Like,
I'm honored, dude.
this is divine, bro. It's not even just good, it's divine. Alright, that's it for this, man. Incredible. This is Ray's father, and he's about to try. Go ahead, tell him.
Hey everybody, hey, these Philly cheesesteaks are the bomb, man. I've never eaten a chili cheesesteak this good.
That's what's up.
And coming from me, you gotta know my story coming from me.
Yeah, this dude's got 30, 40 years in the game.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Let's go. Go ahead. This is the very last of it, but you can see it got that work. Yeah. Yo, say what's up. You're on YouTube.
What's up, YouTube?
What's up, man? What's your handle?
California Smokers.
California Smokers. What's your handle, brother?
Just keep smoking barbecue, baby.
All right, yeah. I'm glad y'all came out. Shout out to Cali.
Thank you.
Yo, tell him your name. State your name, gangster.
Yo, what up, man? It's Black Smokes, Rancho Cucamonga, California, down here in SoCal. You know, we got Chris out here.
What we do today?
Oh, today, we did something spectacular. We made a ton of food and we sold out within an hour and 45 minutes.
And we did it right on them Traegers, bro, and your Traegers.
Yes, sir, the White Bull way. Yo,
Yeah.
You know, 187 barbecue.
187
Yes,
style,
sir.
murder
Yes,
them.
sir.
Bang, 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 bang. We out here, Cali. Let's go. All right, so we're out here. We did it San Bernardino. Hour and 45 minutes, sold out. 2 big packer briskets, 6 tri-tips from Ultimate Family Meats, Insanity. Turned the whole city up. And then we sold 10 racks of ribs. We sold rubs, but it's not all about what we sold. It's about what we accomplished today. Cali, I'm coming back. So glad that we did it. Great people, great vibe, great city, great state. I love it. I'm coming back. Until next time, we turned up. Let's get it.
Cheers, y'all.
Cheers. Get it. My man. King, where are we going right now? What are we going to do?
We're about to go get some birria ramen, birria quesatacos, and shrimp tacos. We're rolling to get the authentic Mexican food.
You know it.
Let's get
it. Let's go. Hey. Yo, listen, so this is like my send-off party. I'm in Rialto, California. We about to get that authentic Mexican cuisine. Let's get it. It's 12 o'clock. I gotta catch a flight in 5.5 hours. Crazy hospitality. I'll be back, Cali. Let's go.
All right, man. End of the trip. Chris, it's been real. Landed Friday, 11 p.m., prepped till about midnight. Woke up at 3 a.m., went crazy at Red Bull, got home at 4, prepped at 5, all the way until midnight again. Woke up at 3 a.m., threw a brisket on. It's been real. California's been real. I appreciate you. Can't wait to see you back. You'll be back in about 6 weeks. Let's do
Sooner than later.
Let's do another pop-up. I'll have my people. We'll pull up. Let's do it.
All right, brother.
Black Smokes Barbecue. We out of here.
We out. My man.